Good morning, Cheetahs. Welcome to the South Greenville Cheetah Spot. This is Mrs. Tedder with your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, March 3rd, 2016. Again, today is Thursday, March 3rd, 2016. Today is our 118th day of school. We've been in school for 118 days. Please stand while we say the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart and recite the pledge with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks, Cheetahs. You may be seated. After you've made it to your seat, we're going to pause for a moment of silence. All right, teachers, now it's time for a uniform check. Boys' shirts need to be tucked in at all times. Shirt colors are white, navy blue, black, gold, or yellow. Pants, shorts, and skirts should be khaki, black, or navy blue. Shoes should be tied at all times. No coats or hoodies are allowed in the building unless you have a uniform-approved sweater or jacket, which has no hoodie and no logo. At this time, we're going to review our South Greenville Elementary expectations for PBIS. Number 1, repeat after me. I will be prepared. Number 2, I will always be respectful. Number 3, I will work hard. And number 4, I will be safe. Remember, these are our pause expectations, and you are expected to meet these daily. All right, Cheetahs that ride the bus, we now want to introduce you to Positive Passengers for Pizza. This is something new for PBIS. So, what happens is, pizza will be given to every rider on the bus that can go for 1 month without a write-up. So, the whole bus has to go for 1 month without a write-up. The bus will earn a pizza slice for each week on the pizza in the hallway until the pizza is complete. We're going to start on Monday, and as soon as the pizza is complete, that bus will earn pizza. So start making that positive behavior on those buses so your bus can be the positive passengers for the month. Wednesday, March 2nd at 7 p.m. at Barnes & Noble is our Spirit Night for South Greenville. All throughout the month of March is our book fair event with Barnes & Noble as well. The class that comes to Barnes & Noble with the most attendance will receive a pizza party after the event. At 7 p.m., the Cheetah Girls will be performing at Barnes & Noble. Any receipts that you get from purchases at any Barnes & Noble store in Greenville, from the Starbucks part or any of the books or anything like that at the Barnes & Noble store, can be turned in to get credit for our school for the Barnes & Noble Book Fair. This is for the whole month of March. So turn those books receipts or Starbucks receipts from the Barnes & Noble store for the whole month of March to the box in the media center labeled Book Fair. Also on Friday, we will be having a Crazy Hat Day. So, Friday, March 4th, you can wear a hat to school to help celebrate Dr. Seuss's birthday. So, Friday, March 4th is Crazy Hat Day at South Greenville. So, wear your favorite hat. Alright, time for today's Cheetah Morning Review. For math for Thursday, March 3rd, for 2nd grade, Nick had 25 baseball cards. His best friend gave him some, and now he has 47 baseball cards. How many baseball cards did Nick's best friend give him? Again for second grade. Nick had 25 baseball cards. His best friend gave him some, and now he has 47 baseball cards. How many baseball cards did Nick's best friend give him? For third grade, what does the inverse mean? And how can you check your work for any equation? Again for third grade. What does the inverse mean? How can you check your work for any equation? For fourth grade, Marius walked 11/8 of a mile to school. He then walked 1.5 miles while at school. How far did Marius walk in all? For fourth grade again, Marius walked 1 1/8 miles to school. Miss Tedder cannot read. I read an improper fraction. It should read, Marius walked 1 1/8 miles to school. He then walked 1.5 miles while at school. How far did Marius walk in all? Remember to draw pictures if that helps you answer the questions. For ELA, for second grade, what is the difference between fiction and nonfiction texts? Again for second grade, what is the difference between fiction and nonfiction texts? For third grade, what is the difference, if any, between main idea and central message? Again for third grade, what is the difference, if any, between main idea and central message? For fourth grade, how could you use the title or headings of a book to predict the main idea? Again for fourth grade, how could you use the title or headings of a book to predict the main idea? And for science, for second grade, what are the 3 bones in the ear? Again for second grade, what are the 3 bones in the ear? For third grade, what are the functions of the skin? Again for third grade, what are the functions of the skin? For fourth grade, what is a habitat? Again for fourth grade, what is a habitat?